So this is where the trash starts. This is where we start collecting it. And we're going to go back to our docks, to the back of house area, and we're going to look at some compactors, some DOBs, and you'll get to see it from there. When the convention center staff is emptying the aisle cans, the aisle trash, and the concession stand trash, they take it from on the show floor, and then they place it in one of these two forklift bins. It takes all this trash and then separates. I think it's what 55% of it right now separates at an off-site spot. So in addition to the recycling efforts that we're doing here and the separating we're doing here, they're doing another 55% at their off-site location, which you guys will see later on. Just to sort of recap all of our efforts here, the first thing we do is we separate the cardboard from regular trash. Food trash is also separated from regular trash. And we've started in small areas, but we're increasing our efforts to recycle plastic bottles, aluminum cans, and we're recycling internal paper. And again, that's all before the trash gets to Anaheim Disposal, who then separates an additional 55%. I believe state law is going to require that to increase to an even higher percentage very soon, which is a positive thing for us because it means more of our trash is going to be recycled off-site. So.
We process up to 6,000 tons a day of waste through our facility, both trash, commingled recyclables, different construction materials, and things like that. So you'll be seeing all of that as we go through today, and also yard waste, a very big component. It's just how well this is taking off. The concept of recycling, the concept of conservation, and trying to do more and more, that just helps us get to those higher goals easier, quicker, and it's really beneficial.
Now, landfills don't take what they used to take. Now they only take the things that aren't going to contaminate your ground. I noticed if you've been to a landfill lately, you notice they don't take any kind of electronics because there's lead on the circuit boards and there's lead inside the picture tubes and all kinds of things. There's a radiation monitor, carbon monoxide monitor, and all kinds of different things that sets off all kinds of bells and whistles if a truck comes in here with something that ain't supposed to be here. Everybody out here is a professional. They all know what they're doing, and everybody has the job that they do depending on what we assign them to during the day. Every one of these guys out here can run every one of these pieces of equipment. Landfill technology now, and the way that it's regulated, everybody is looking at greenhouse gas and carbon footprint and all that stuff that you see in the news all the time. So we're affected by that too. So we have to make sure that everything is straight above board. You can't hide anything. You can't bury anything that's illegal, because we have people that support units like Julie and all of the people downtown which support all the landfills that help us to make things the way that they are now.